Hello guys, welcome to EYW Everything You Want. So today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive. So to create the bootable USB drive you will need a Windows ISO file. There it is. This is the ISO file. So how to create this ISO file? You will need a software Power ISO. I will provide the download link in the description. I'm going to install the Power ISO and then install this. Next I install and let it finish, and now it's completed. So click next, select all, close, and to activate the Power ISO just open the software and click enter registration code and type the name hidden, and then open the key generator which is in the Power ISO folder. Double click and now click generate to generate the registration key, and now type the key in the registration code box, PZEKM. And then click OK. Thank you for the registration, and now close the box. And now we are going to create the ISO file. So just go to the Windows folder, Windows all, Windows 7. You can create any Windows ISO file by this method. Just select all the Windows files and right click Power ISO, add to image file, click and then continue on register. Now click the ISO file, select, and then click OK. I have already created the ISO file, so I am going to click no, then no. So now this time to create the bootable USB drive. Now just go to the Power ISO software, after inserting the USB drive, open it, continue on register. Now click the tools and then select create bootable USB drive and then click OK. Continue on register. Now select the Windows ISO file which you have created earlier. Go to the folder Windows and then click the Windows 7 ISO file and then click start. Okay. And if you are getting this error, so just what you have to do, just go to my computer and right click on the USB drive, properties, and format it with NTFS, and then click start and OK, yes, and let it format. It's being formatted now. So click tools again and create bootable USB drive and select the Windows ISO file and then click start. Yeah, okay, and let it be completing because it will take some time, so be patient. And I'm going to skip the video so I can show you the created bootable USB drive. And here it is going to finish now, and it's completed. Okay, close, and then again computer, and here it is, guys. We have successfully created our bootable USB drive. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel and like this video.